So my name's Aaron Dufresne. I am the warehouse manager at American Vision Windows in Simi Valley, and I have been here 6 years. Is that the warehouse is not just a storage unit. It's not just where windows and doors come in and they sit there and then they go out. There's so much more intricacies involved as far as we have so many different manufacturers. You have Anlin, you have Lincoln, you have Milgard, you have Simonton, and then you got entry doors from Provia to Orapac to all these different manufacturers, and those are just the units themselves, and then you have their models. And so when our sales team goes out and presents all of these things to the customer and they say, this is my dream, this is what I want, and then they nail that down, that then comes to me on the computer, and when that job actually is received, I have to make sure that all of those specs are 100%, not only in good condition and in good working order, but preparing that job and staging it for the 17 crews that are going to come in for probably about 8 to 10 different jobs per day going out to Ventura County and LA County. And so staging those involves a lot of different, like I said, intricacies with the prep for silicone for that particular job, the colors of the silicone, what it's going to get for insulation, what it's going to get for its molding, the different handles, and all the things have to be 100% correct so that when that job actually arrives on the job site, not only is it 100% correct, but it has already set the installers up for success. And so that's kind of the key, and that's what I love about my job, and you're able to take a lot of pride in that, is setting the installers up for success. And because I was an installer, it really has enabled me to do that well. So I really love that. And one quick story, I bought this hat when I first started working here 6 years ago. And so that's why it is falling apart. So I've been here 6 years. The family and faith culture here that we experience on a day-to-day basis is really next level, because every single employee here is cared for, and I think that that's evident through our friendships and the way that just that most people that come in here see that, and when they come to work for us, is that it's not it's automatic that they always say, I should say it's inevitable that people say, oh, this is like no other company I've worked for. And it's because I think that we all genuinely want to see each other succeed. And that really ties into how I started here, because I came in because of Bill Heron, and he brought me on in a difficult time in my life when he gave me a chance, and it was amazing to, I owe it to the Lord Jesus Christ and him through God that brought me on here and gave me an opportunity. I started at the bottom of the totem pole, basically as just a helper out in the field, knew nothing about windows and doors. And when I started, Bill actually told me, you can go as far as you want to go in this company. And so that's what I did. I ended up becoming an installer only a year later, learned the industry, became an installer, had my own truck, did that for 4 years before I came on as the warehouse manager.